if vector A equals 2i plus 3j plus 6k, then find out the direction of vector A from z-axis. In this question exactly we have to find the angle this vector A makes with z-axis. So how do we find the angle between two vector? Suppose I have two vector A and another vector B making angle theta, and we have to find this angle theta between these two vector and vector A and B if given in terms of ij component. So we are going to use their dot product formula. A dot B equal to AB cos theta equals to A dot B upon AB. Here AB are the magnitude of vector A and B respectively. Now if I change the magnitude of either vector B or A, this angle will not change. Here one vector is given in this question, vector A, but another vector is not given, but instead of that this axis given. I can take any vector along this direction like k vector or 2k vector or 3k vector or any vector. For simplicity I am going to take k cap, which is unit vector along z axis. So A is 2i plus 3j plus 6k cap, and another vector B which is along z axis is k cap. Now what's the magnitude of A and B here, because we have to use it in this expression to find the angle between the two vectors. So A mod A is under root 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, and this come out to be 36 plus 9 plus 4 root 49, I mean 7, and mod B, this being unit vector, this would be 1. Now what would be A dot B? A dot B will be 2i plus 3j plus 6k cap dot 0i 0j and k cap, because I can write B vector as 0i 0j plus 1k cap. It is better to write in this way because in dot product we know the coefficient of I and I multiplied, I mean 2 into 2, 2 into 0, 3 into 0 and 6 into 1. So this come out to be 6. Now put it here. A dot B is 6 and A is 7 and B is 1. So this come out to be 6 by 7. So I can write theta as a cos inverse 6 by 7. So this is the angle that A vector makes with z positive z axis.